let's knock off the goofing around. The bird you guys have chosen is the
Gerfalcon.
Gerfalcon. Never heard of it? North American bird? Tell us about it. The Gerfalcon.
It is the biggest falcon in the world.
No, no, no. Is it really?
Yes.
Yeah.
What about a condor?
It's the biggest falcon.
Falcon?
Yeah.
You're not going to cry, are you? The poor girl cry. It's the Gerfalcon. Do we find them all over?
You find them in North America.
Tundra, Arctic areas.
Okay, so farther north. All right, here we go. Take it away, kids. The Gerfalcon. Third place. How about that? Wonderful. Congratulations. Nice meeting you. Nice to see you. Good luck. Thank you, Joe.
The red-throated loon.
And again, I'm not familiar with the loon family.
I don't know if loon is a family.
It certainly is my family. Thank you very much.
People say the same thing about my family.
I know. Where do we find the red-throated loon?
It's in a lot of northern countries. It lives in like the subarctic moors, so just all around the world.
Do we have them down here in the lower 48 states?
No.
Subarctic only. Okay. And what about this bird got your attention?
It makes a really unique and memorable sound that I knew I could produce and I would have fun doing.
Right. And unlike the previous bird, the Gerfalcon, this only takes one person. This is a single person bird, girls. Relax. The red-throated loon, take it away, Dina. Something about this, a fascinating animal, the greater prairie chicken. A colorful, beautiful bird. What can you tell us about the greater prairie chicken?
Well, it's a member of the grouse family.
Right.
It lives only in the United States. It's found from about South Dakota down to Nebraska.
Right, in the native grasslands of North America.
Yeah.
Yeah, and a beautiful, beautiful animal. Have we seen a picture of the? Okay, all right. And what about this? Did you guys like? Have you ever seen one in person? You ever caught one? You ever eaten one? These babies are good eating.
Yeah, I've heard they're delicious.
Of course they're delicious. Sure, you're telling me. All right, anytime you're ready, guys. And it better be a three-man bird. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because I'm kind of seeing how this goes, all right? Knock us out.
All right.
There they are. That's James. Nice going, James. Eli. Gabe. Come on up, kids. Let's do the big finale here. Do you like a guy who can do bird calls? Is that exciting for a young woman?
Oh, so exciting.
Yeah. A regular chick magnet, isn't it? All right, everybody, here we go. The Piedmont bird caller.